up, Evan? Hey, Evan. Peace, nigga. Yeah, watching this shit. It looks like Juliet was here. And it says, do not...
Dude, fuck Juliet. Did I ever tell you, like, did I tell
not
you, like,
work.
what she said to me when I left?
What did she say to you?
So, she's all like, here's your check. So, okay. And I'm like, so I'm just standing there, right? And I'm like, okay. And she's like, well, yeah, I try to do what I can do. And I'm like, well, yeah, I know. Well, like, so I realized I'd have to spell it out to her, right? So
yeah.
I'm like, Juliet, this is the last time you're ever gonna see me. This is the last time you're ever gonna talk to me. What do you want to say to me? Like, that's appropriate for, like, this moment. And she's all like, oh, well, I guess I wish you the best. But I always wish all of you the best, even if I don't say it. I'm like, okay, I guess that's the kind of thing you say. And I turned and I walked away.
Damn.
And I left the store after talking to Lee.
Yeah.
Giving him a hug.
Aww.
Big bear hug. And then, that was the end of Evan's crazy shirt reign. But that's okay, because I'm going to firebomb the place.
Hell yeah, man.